These are the two pretty popular food chopper. This is Ninja and this is KitchenAid. So in this video, I'm going to talk about which one you should choose. First, let's look at volume. So the Ninja chopper is 0.5 liter and for the KitchenAid is 0.83 liter. For this one is bigger. For the function, they are the same. They can chop, they can do the mince, they can do the mixture, and they can do the puree. And the big difference of them are this one is the motor is on the top. So while you're using it, you have to hold the motor and the containers at the bottom. So it's top heavy. So for the KitchenAid, the motor is at the base, so it's bottom heavy. So for the stable, I think that they're basically the same because the Ninja one, you see the base plate is bigger than the container. And for the KitchenAid, the base plate is not that significant. And the little rubber foot is inside. And for the looking, definitely, personally, I think that the KitchenAid looks better. But the price are different. The Ninja one is more affordable and the KitchenAid are more expensive. It's really hard to choose. I don't know. Hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.